Welcome to Auto Craze. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW M3. The M3 has long been a benchmark for driving enthusiasts, blending power, precision, and everyday usability. The latest model takes everything we love about the M3 and pushes it even further with updated technology, aggressive styling, and more power under the hood. Starting with the design, the 2025 M3 maintains its bold, muscular stance, with flared wheel arches, aerodynamic enhancements, and that unmistakable kidney grille. BMW has refined the front fascia with sharper LED headlights, a reworked bumper, and additional air intakes for improved cooling. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a sculpted rear diffuser remind everyone that this is no ordinary 3 Series. New color options, including striking metallic hues and BMW's signature M-exclusive finishes, make the M3 look even more dynamic. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M3 retains its 3.0-liter twin turbocharged inline-6, but with more power than before. In the standard M3, you get around 480 horsepower, while the M3 competition cranks it up to 510 horsepower. However, the big news this year is the introduction of an even more extreme M3 CS variant, rumored to push beyond 550 horsepower, making it the most powerful M3 ever produced. Whether you opt for the classic rear-wheel drive setup or BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, you're guaranteed blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Speaking of performance, BMW has fine-tuned the chassis, suspension, and steering for an even more engaging driving experience. The adaptive M suspension has been tweaked for better balance between comfort and track-ready sharpness. If you're a purist, you'll be happy to know that the standard M3 still offers a 6-speed manual transmission, while the competition and CS models come with an 8-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Inside, the 2025 M3's cabin is packed with high-tech features and premium materials. The driver-focused cockpit features BMW's curved display, integrating a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen running the latest iDrive 8.5 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with the premium Harman Kardon sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and carbon bucket seats for that true race-inspired feel. The latest driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors, make everyday driving just as enjoyable as a spirited canyon run. On the road, the 2025 BMW M3 continues to be the ultimate driver's machine, with multiple drive modes, an active exhaust system, and launch control. This car is built for both the street and the track. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time as quick as 3.4 seconds in the xDrive equipped models, while top speed can reach 180 miles per hour with the optional M Drivers package. Pricing for the 2025 M3 starts around $75,000 for the base model, while the M3 competition and M3 CS will push well past $90,000, depending on options. Given its blend of luxury, technology, and raw performance, the M3 remains one of the best performance sedans money can buy. What do you think about the 2025 BMW M3? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and industry updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content, only here on Auto Craze.